The Supreme Court has ruled on a variety of issues. Now we're in the final stretch of the court's term, still waiting on other important cases on topics like abortion and former President Donald Trump's immunity from prosecution.
Tonight, our Washington, D.C. correspondent Rachel Knapp is live with the latest rulings from the court. Rachel, good evening.
Good evening, Mike and Eva. Today, in a 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court rejected a Republican-led challenge to the Biden administration's contacts with social media platforms when it comes to things like misinformation. Now, this is seen as a win for the Biden administration, but the court still has many cases in its last few remaining days in its term that will have huge consequential decisions to make.
It's been an explosive term for the court, weighing in on consequential cases. So far, they've ruled to keep an abortion pill to stay widely available and allowing former President Donald Trump to stay on the ballot for the upcoming election. For that case, all 9 justices ruled that the states cannot bar Trump from running for another term. That decision would have been a shock to the political landscape for the upcoming elections.
This is a court that is really giving us a new set of laws and a new set of expectations for government officials, and also for people who are in government and out of government, a new set of ideas of what they can challenge and not challenge.
But with days left in the term, the court still has many cases to rule on, including issues on the opioid crisis, social media, homelessness, and decide whether prosecutors can use a federal obstruction statute to charge rioters involved in the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol. But people are anxiously waiting for the court's decision on whether former President Trump is immune from prosecution on charges he tried to overturn the 2020 election.
Pretty obvious that the court is waiting until after the debate to release their decision on presidential immunity, because the court does not like to have the appearance of engaging in a political process or influencing it in any way.
Mikey, but the court's decision on that case will determine if Trump will face trial for that 2020 election interference case. Now, Trump argues that he is immune from prosecution. Now, the court's calendar shows that they have tomorrow and Friday to release some of their opinions, so we're going to see which ones that they're going to release in the next couple of days. As for that debate that was referenced between Trump and Biden, that is scheduled for tomorrow night. Of course, we're going to have some extensive coverage on that, and of course, we'll bring that to you tonight and tomorrow. Back to you.